Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to exploit a Windows client using Metasploit. In this video, I will be using Kali Linux to run the Metasploit and Windows XP Professional as the target. But before we can do anything, you need to find the target. I will be using Nmap to run a scanning. Nmap is one of the most powerful network scanning tools that are available for free. Nmap can help to identify the live hosts on the networks. It can check the open ports and at the same time gather information that we can use to choose our method of exploitation. Okay, let's start by opening the terminal. Okay, first of all, I need to know what is my IP address. I will run ifconfig. Okay, from here, I can see that my IP address is 192.168.8.100 and the subnet is 255.255.255.0, which means I'm running on the subnet 24. Now let's run the nmap scan. SP, I will just put dash SP, which means that it will do a ping scan test, and then followed by the IP address 192.168.8.0/24, which means I will be running the whole subnet. Okay, okay, it's done already. From 256 IP address, there are a few IP addresses that came. Okay, in this tutorial, I will be focusing on this IP address, which is 192.168.8.13. To run another scanning, we can run an nmap dash v dash uppercase O, which mean it will run to scanning and to collect what is the operating system run by the target, and then followed by the IP address of the target, which is in this case is .8.13. Okay, the scanning has found that ports 135, 139, and 445 are opens. Okay, and then from the scanning, it can also find out that the operating system of the target is either Microsoft XP Professional Service Pack 2 or Windows Server 2003. For our case, the targeted client is Windows XP Professional. Okay, so now we run the Metasploit by running msf console. It will take some time to start the Metasploit. Okay, here are the documentation if you want to read about more about Metasploit, which is https://doc.metasploit.com. Okay, once you see this kind of prompt, it means it is ready. Okay, for this demo, I will just use one of the exploitable database that exists in the Metasploit, which is ms08-067. To find out, then we need to run search followed by the ms08-067. Okay, it gave you a list of the exploitable found in Metasploit. Right? You can run info followed by the sequence number found on the left side here to get more info. Or if you want to start to exploit, you can use the use command followed by the numbers on the left side, or you can just copy paste from this the full command. Okay, I just copy paste and paste, and then I run enter. Okay, now you are inside. You can run show options to see what are the available options. From here, we can see that we need to set the rhost, which is the current setting is empty. Rhost is the target host. Okay, to set the target host, we can run the command set rhost followed by the IP address, which means 192.168.8.13. Okay, has been set. To verify, you can run show options again. Okay, now the rhost or the target host has been updated. To exploit it or to run it, you can just run command or you can run exploit. Okay, it's starting to connecting. From here, we can see that the session has been opened. from 192.168.8.100, which is the Kali Linux machine, to the IP address 192.168.8.13, which is the Windows XP. From here, we can see run the dir command. Okay, these are the folder that are available in the Windows XP. You can run the help command. Basically, this will show all the command that you can run with the description. Okay. So for example, like this, there's a command screenshot. Grab the screenshot of the interactive desktop of the target. Okay. So in this case, let's see, open the XP client. This is the XP desktop client. We try to get a screenshot for it. Screenshot. Okay. So we save the screenshot to the home Kali Linux. Let's open this home Kali Linux LLK SOLWR file. It's under open folder. Okay, so these are the folder under home Kali Linux. Okay, these are the screenshot from the targeted client. Okay, then you can also create run shell if you are more familiar with the command. You can run shell. Now we try to create a folder in the C drive. For example, hacking. We can create a folder named hacking. Now we run the dir command again. Now you can see that we have created a hacking folder here. Okay. Now we go to this hacking by running cd hacking. Then we can type echo you have been hacked, followed by the file to say file.txt. Okay. Now when we run the dir, you can see that there's a file.txt. Now we go to Windows XP, open the document under the hacking, and you can see this file. You have been hacked. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Have fun.